Good morning students. Today class I am going to start example 2.1. For the last class I completed the introduction as well as I taught the example sums. This class I am going to explain the exercise sum. Simplify the following. This is the new chapter for you but very easy. If you understand properly means it is very easy for you. What is the question? First sum. I power 1947 I power 1947 plus I power 1950. We are going to find the addition of what I power 1947 plus I power 1950. So what is the first step? I am teaching the two method, whatever which one is you understand easily you follow it. What is the first method I will teach? See this is the 47. 47 is nothing but what? Divided by 4 table. 4 table, what is the balance? The balance is 3. So 90 and 1947 is divided by 4. If the number is divided by 4, what is the balance? Balance is that remainder is very important. Balance is 3. The 4 into 486 is nothing but 9,944. So we rewrite as this is what? I power 4 whole power 486. I power 4 whole power 486 into what is the balance term? What is the remainder? Balance means remainder is I power 3 plus similarly see this division also 1950. So if you want to divide the whole, not only the whole number, take the last 2 digit enough for you. 50 is divided by 4, what happened? This is 11 4s are 44, 12 4s are 40. Balance is what? 2. That is the remainder 2. See, I teach the 2 steps. First method I follow it. So this is what? 1950 is divided by 4. What is the quotient? 487. So what is the remainder is 2. This is rewrite as I power. First you write I power 4 whole power which is divided divisible by 4. I power 4 is we know 1. The value always you remember it. I remember it. I power 0 is 1. Recall. I power 0 equal to 1, I power 1 equal to 1, I power 1 equal to I square equal to minus 1, I cube equal to minus I power 4 equal to 1. So we want to make the power unit of I in terms of I power 4. So I power 0 is 1, I power 1 is I square is minus 1, I cube is minus I power 4 equal to 1. So making the term become I power 4. So divided by 4. So what is the given question number is the power is divided by 4. Write the remainder. See the remainder is properly. So this is what 1947 is divided by 4. What is the remainder? Remainder is 3. So we rewrite as 1947 is rewrite as I power 4 whole power 486. Write the quotient because 4 into 486 into I power 3. I power 3 is what? 3 is the remainder. So 944. 4 into 486 is what? 1944. Balance is what? 3. 11 4 are 44. Similarly balance is 3. Again 1950 is divided by 4. What is the quotient? Quotient is 487. Remainder is what? 2. Remainder is 2. So we rewrite as what? I power 4 whole power 487 into I square. So I power 4 is what? What is the value of I power 4? I power 4 is nothing but the value is 1. So recall that one. I power 4 is the value is 1. 1 power 486 into I cube is what? What is the value for I cube? I cube is what? Minus I plus I power 4 again 1. 1 power 487. What is our I square value? I square value is what? Minus 1. So 1 power any number is what? 1 only. So we write 1 power 1. The power of 1 is the same 1 only. 1 into minus I is what? Minus I. Similarly 1 power 487. That's also the value is 1. So 1 into 1 is what? Minus 1. So minus I minus 1 or you rewrite in the standard form. Standard form is nothing but for your complex number. First write always the real part, second write the imaginary part. So we rewrite in the always after finding the value write in the standard form. Standard form is first you write the real part as well as next you write the imaginary part. What is the real part? Real part is nothing but what? Minus 1. Imaginary part is what? Minus I. So another method, one more method. See, this is very easy for you. I power 1947 plus I power 1915. So I power 1944 because this is the multiples of 4. Balance is what? Plus 3. 944. 11 4s are 44. Balance is what? See the last 2 digit 47 divided by 4. For 11 4s are 44. So 44 plus 3. 1944 plus 3. Similarly 50. 50 means what? Balance is 2. 1948 plus 2. We know that I power 1944. Multiples of 4 or divisible of 4 is nothing but what? I power 4 value is what? Nothing but 1. into I cube is minus I, plus 9948 also what? 1, because this 9948 is what? Divisible by 4. So what is the balance from I square? Because 9948 plus 2. So I power, because a power m plus n is a power m into a power n. Apply the exponential form. So I power 1948 into I square. I square value is what? Minus I. So 1 into minus I is what? Minus I. 1 into 1 is what? Minus 1. So rewrite in the form of what? Minus 1 minus. That is nothing but form, complex form. This is the complex number, right, in the standard form. A plus IB. This is A is the real part, B is the imaginary part. So rewrite this answer always what? Minus 1 minus I in the complex number. Similarly, see the second one also. What is the second question? 1948 minus I power minus 1869. So this is what? I power 1948 plus 0. Why I put 0? 1940 is divisible by 4. Remainder is 0. So plus 0. Minus. This is the what? Negative value. The 1 by. So I power minus 1 is we rewrite as what? I power minus 1 is rewrite as what? 1 by I. Similarly, so I power minus 1860 rewrite as 1 by I power 1869. So I power 1948 minus this is what? So divisible by, see the last two digit is what? 68, 69. 69 is divided by what? 4. We get what? 70. Don't want to write. So this is what? 68. Because what is the remainder is 1. So 1816 is split into 1868 plus 1. Because 68 is what? Divisible by 4. So I power 1948. 1948 is nothing. I power 0 is what? 1. Or I power, the multiples of 4 is the value is nothing but what? 1. I power 1948, the multiples of 4 are divisible by 4. 1948, the remainder is 0. So this is what? Divisible of 4, the value is nothing but what? 1. If the number is divisible by 4, I power value is always what? 1. Minus, this is what? 1868 into I power 1868 plus 1. So this is rewrite as how to split 1868 into I power 1. This is what? This is nothing but what? Multiples of 4 or divisibles of 4. The value is 1. 1 by I power 1. I power 1 is go to the numerator. What happened? I power plus 1 become I power minus 1. I power plus 1 become I power minus 1. 1 by minus 1 into minus I. Already remember the table. What is the table? I wrote it in the power of negative number. Power of negative value. I power minus 1 is nothing but what? Minus I. Remember this two value. I power minus 1 is nothing but minus I. I power minus 3 is nothing but what? Plus I. Remember I power minus 2 is the same minus 1. I power minus 4 is always 1. So recall that one. I power minus 1 is minus I. I power minus 1 is minus 1. Minus I. So I power minus 1 is nothing but what? Minus I. So 1 minus I power minus 1 is what? Minus I. 1 minus I power minus 1 is what? Minus I. Minus into minus become plus I. So 1 plus I. This is coming in the standard form. 1 plus I. What is our main aim? See, if we divisible by 4, the power I unit, the power of the I unit is divisible by 4 means the value is always what? 1. So if not divisible by 4, write the remainder. Find the value for remainder of the value. Either I power 1, I power 2, I power 3. Because I power 4 automatically to become 1. So what is the remainder coming? If the number is divisible by 4 means the remainder is what? Either 0, 1, 2, 3. That's all only. See the third sum. Summation of n equal to 1 to 12 I power n. N equal to 1 to 12 I power n. So how to rewrite this one? Summation of n equal to 1 I power n is 1 equal summation of n equal to 1 to 12 I power n equal to rewrite as what? I power, because it is split into 4 terms, because this is also divisible by 4. So I power 1, I power 2, I power 3, I power 4 plus I power 5, I power 6, I power 7, I power 8 plus, because summation up to 12 terms. N equal to 1 to 12 means how many terms are having? The power unit of I is 12 terms plus I power 9, I power 10, I power 11, I power 12. So I power 1 is nothing but what? I power 2 is what? I square, I cube, I power 4. Write as itself, the first number as itself I write it. Here what? I power 5, I power 6, I power 7, I power 8. So which is the smallest value? 5. Take one more value, very left value. Common value is what? I power 4. Take I power 4. Because I power 4 is always what? 1. I power 4, I power 8, I power 12. Multiples of 4 is always what? 1. So take I power 4 is take common. Balances are the same what is coming in the first term. I power 1, I power 2, I power 3, I power 4. Plus here what? I power 9, 10, 11, 12. We take I power 8 because I power 8 is what multiples of 4. 1 4 is for 2 4 side. Multiples of 4, the value of I power unit is what 1. I power 8 take outside. I power 1, I power 2, I power 3, I power 4. See the step, the first step, second step, third one. Third, see the 3 brackets having, we get the same result. We already studied I power 1 is what I square is what minus I square, I power 1 is I square is what minus 1. I cube is what minus I. Again I power 4 is what 1. So I power 4 is 1. 1 into the same result coming. I minus 1 minus I plus 1. What is the sum? First bracket what is the coming and same thing coming. Again I power 8 is rewrite as what? I power 4 the whole square because 4 2s are 8. I power 4 is 1 means 1 square is nothing but what 1. The same thing. I power 1 is I square is minus 1. I cube is minus I power 4 is what? Plus 1. Now you cancel plus I minus I cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1 can be what is the value you get? 0. Second term also 0. Third term also 0. So you get the answer becomes 0. Otherwise another step or another method, alternative method, summation of n equal to 1, I power n equal to 0. Why simply we put 0? Since the 12 is the multiples of 4. If the 12 is multiples of a summation of 4 value, summation of the values, or summation of a value n equal to 1 to 12. Since the 12 is the multiples of 4, summation of 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. That summation is 1 equal to 12. That the value become directly we write what 0. Since the 12 is a multiple of 4, the value become 0. Either using this big step, if you for your understanding purpose I taught like that. Otherwise you take this step also. I power n equal to 0. Since 12 is a multiple of 4, the single step you finish the answer. Next fourth sum. What is the fourth sum? I power 59. Fourth one is what? I power 59 plus 1 by I power 59. So I power 59 is what? What is that one? We write the multiples of 4. So I power 56 plus 3 we flip because 1 4 is 4, 4 4s are 16. Balance is what? The 9 balance is what? 3. So the 59 is rewrite as what? Multiples of 4 plus the remainder value. Otherwise if you want 59 is divided by 4. 1 4 is 4. 9 minus 4, 5 minus 4 is what? 9. 4 4s are what? 16. Balance is 3. So we rewrite as what? The 59 is rewrite as 53. The balance is 3. 59 minus 3 is what? 56. That is 56 plus 3 is nothing but what? 59. I power 56 plus 3. This I power 59 goes to the numerator, become what? I power minus 59. So this step I power 56 plus 3 plus I power, the minus 59 is rewrite as what? Minus 56 minus 3. Power of I power, the summation of 4 term becomes 0, summation of multiples is 0. Here I power 56 is what? Multiples of 4 into, this is rewrite as 56 plus 3 is rewrite as I power 56 into I power 3. Because 56 plus 3 is rewrite as A power m plus, already I told you, A power m plus n is A power m into A power n. So I power 56 into I cube plus, similarly I power minus 56 into I power minus 3. I power minus 3. So I power 56 is nothing but what? This is the multiples of 4. 14 into 4 is nothing but what? 56. I power 4 is I power 56 is what? Multiples of 4. The value become 1. We want to remainder value. Remainder value is nothing but a 3. I cube is nothing but what? Minus I. I cube is what? Minus I. Plus here I power minus 56. Either it is negative or positive. The value of I power multiples of 4 is nothing but what? The value become 1. See the remainder value. The remainder is what? I power minus 3. I power minus 3 is nothing but what? Plus I. Keep it in mind. I power minus 1 is minus I. I power minus 3 is I. Remember this step only. So I power I cube. I power plus 3 no, because I cube is nothing but what? I cube is I square into I. I square is minus 1. I square into I. I square into I square is minus 1, that is minus I. So we remember that one. I power, already I show the tabular column. I cube is minus I. I power minus 3 is what? I power plus 3 is minus I. I power minus 3 is what? Plus I. I power 3. I cube is minus I. I power minus 3 is what? Plus I. Minus I plus I, the value become 0. See the fifth question. What is the question? I square, I cube, etc. I power 2000. So If the base is same, add the powers. What is the power? 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. Base is what? Nothing but I. So how will you rewrite this one? I power 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. up to 2000. So this is nothing but what? Summation of n. Already I taught all the models in the example sums. So go through your example sum for the Monday video. Summation of n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. We know the sum of the first year natural number is what is the formula? In 10th standard we studied. Summation of n equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So I power n is nothing but what? 2000 into 2001 divided by 2. You cancel value, we get what? I power 1000 into 2000. This is rewrite as what? I power 1000 into 2000. So a power m, the whole power n equal to what is the a power m into n. So a power mn is rewrite as what? A power m, the whole power n. So I power 1000. See, listen here. I power 1000. I power 1000, the whole power 2000. A power m into n is rewrite as a power m, the whole power m. So 1000 into 2000 rewrite as what? I power 1000, the whole power 2001. We know that 1000, just the last two digit is what? The last two digit ending with 20. This is nothing but what? Multiples of 4. We know the divisibility for 4 for studied in the lower classes. The last digit ending with 20. 20 means this is nothing but what? Multiples of 4. Otherwise what? 2 4s are 8, 5 4s are 20. So if having this is the 1000 is nothing but what? Multiples of 4. That's for I power 1000 nothing but what? 1. 1 power 2000 is nothing but what? 1 power any number is what? 1 only. See the next sum, sixth sum. Say summation of n equal to 1 to 10, I power n plus 15. So he rewrite as what? N equal to 1, n equal to 2. How many terms we are going to? Up to write the 10 terms. So I power 1 plus 50, I power 2 plus 50, I power 3 plus 50, etc. I power 10 plus 50. So this is I power 51 plus I power 52 plus I power 53 plus I power what? 60. Now which is the one? This is 51, 52, 53. We take the what? I power 50 take outside. If we take I power 50 outside means what happen? 50 take outside means what? I power 1, I power 2, I power 3, etc. I power 10. So I power 50 into, this is split into 3 terms. How to split? I power 1 to 4 plus I power 5 to 8. Balance is what? Up to 1 to 4, 4 plus 4, 8. Balance are 2 terms. I power 9, I power 10. So we know that summation of, keep it in mind, summation of the first 4 term becomes 0. See, summation means I power 1, I power 2, I power 4. Similarly, I power 5, I power 6. This is the continuous summation of first 4 terms always become 0. So already studied in the last sum. So I power 1, I power 2 is what? 1 minus I minus 1. The I power 4 plus 1 you cancel, we get. So I power 1, this is summation of first 4 term becomes 0. So this is summation of first 4 term, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever the number you work out, the summation of first 4 term always 0 for the power unit of 5. So I power, this value becomes 0. The second bracket full is 0. Third bracket is how will you rewrite as? I power 9 is rewrite as what? I power 8 into I. Because 9 is what? 9 is split into 8 4 table. So 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1. The 10 is what? 8 plus 2. So I power 9 is rewrite as what? I power 8 into I power 1. Here what? I power 8 into I power 2. What happened? This is, see this step. I power 50 is what? I power 48 plus 2. I power 50 is because multiples of 4. 48 plus 2 because 48 is what? Multiples of 4. Divisible by 4 or multiples of 4. So I power 50 is split into 48 plus 2. Next, see the step. Again, I power 48 into I square. I power 48 plus 2 is what? I power 48 into I square. I power 48 plus 2 is I power 48 into I square. The first term, second term becomes 0. I power 8 is rewrite as what? I power 4 the whole square into I. Here also I power 8. I power 4 2s are 8. Here also 4 2s are 8. We remember what is I power 4? I power 4 nothing but what? 1. 1 square into I. Similarly 1 square into I square is what? Minus 1. I square value is what? Minus 1. See, right here, I square, I cube, I power, like that. A continuous set of first 4 value always becomes 0 for the power unit of I. See here. See, I power 4 is what? Always 1. So here I power 48 is rewrite as what? I power 4, the whole power. 4 12s are what? 48. So 48 is rewrite as I power 4, 4 power 12. I square is nothing but what? Minus 1. So what happened? I. This is what? 1 square is 1. 1 into I is I. Here 1 square is 1. 1 into minus 1 is what? Minus 1. So I power 4 is 1. 1 power. 1 power any number is what? 1. That is minus 1. Outside for minus 1 into I. Multiplied with a minus number. The plus I become minus I. Minus 1 become plus 1. So minus I plus 1. So write in the complex form, standard form. Standard form is what? First always the real part, next one is the imaginary part. So minus I plus 1 is rewrite as what? 1 minus I. Children, go through the sum properly.